I mean, I noticed that you have an easy task scheduler and assigner on the Medical Research Accelerator. Can you walk us through what that is and how it works?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is kind of like a quick and dirty way to assign specific tasks, both to a date and to a person. So just going back to the dashboard itself, if you look at all the research tasks, if I click on all tasks, in order to assign someone, I would have to go here and just basically type up a name, or I would have to go in manually find a date and then click on it, which obviously works fine. But let's say you have a bunch of research tasks for a few, like one project, and you don't want to do all that. There's a very quick, and you want to quickly just split up the tasks, divide and conquer. That's why I created this page, which is a linked view of the research tasks, a linked view of the research tasks, but broken up by person, and a linked view of the research task, but a calendar view just showing you due dates. So what you do is, here's all the research tasks that need to be completed. So this is filtered to only show tasks that need to be done. And what I can do is very quickly, I can drag this and I can put this right here. And now automatically the due date is June 9th. And let's say I want to reschedule it. I can go to the 6th and automatically it changed to the 6th. The cool thing about this is right now, as you can see, it's assigned to Ameen, right? Let's say I want to assign it to Chima. What I can do is I can literally drag it from here and I can put it right here to Ahmed Chima. And now it's still here. So it still says June 6th. And now it's also assigned to Chima. So if I open this, it's assigned to Chima as well. So as you can see, it's just a super integrated and easy way to assign a task both to a person and to a due date.